ang functions sang sige nga sang atong ginatakol is all about sa right triangle. Later on, we will have also the trigonometry if the triangle is not in a right angle. So again, this is the angle A. So ang opposite niya, there should be a value in here kung mag-problem solving na ta, as well as for the hypotenuse, for the all sides, and for the three angles. So dapat there should be a corresponding na mga numbers or values nila. So last time we have talked about kung di ba mag-find kita sa sine kag sang degree sang angle using our scientific calculator, but this time we will have the inverse ng sine function. Last time or last week we had, for example, may value ka nga 40 degrees, so you just have to convert your scientific calculator first into degree mode, and then you just key in sine, then 40 degrees, and then fortunately magwa na siya ang value sang aton nga sine 40 degrees. If not, if there's another nga calculator nga settings, just what I told you last time, that you have to look it up on the YouTube how you can convert the degree mode in your scientific calculator, because there are different settings for different calculators. So today I'm going to talk about the inverse sine function. So this one is the inverse. So ato magamba ka inverse meaning. So using sine -1 or the inverse sine. So if 0.7315, so amo ni siya ang given nga value. For example, 0.7315 or 7315 is equals to the theta nga sine theta. So amo ni siyang sine sa aton nga theta, meaning this angle or this value should be solved, or amo na siya ang ginapangita pa naton. So then sine to the power of -1 times 0.735315 is equals to the theta nga angle nga aton nga ginapangita. So it's very simple lang. Parehas mo to sang isa nagligad, you will be given the value, and then you just have to multiply it to sine to the power of -1. Amo ni liwat, you just have to look it up again sa inyong calculator sa YouTube kung anong setting, kung paano ka mo maka-arrive sa sine -1 nga sine to the power of -1, because kung different ang aton nga mga calculator nga ginausar nga model, different man na siya ang iyang mga settings. So solve for the theta if sine theta is equals to 0.2419. So ano yan ang answer? So we just have to invert it. 0.2419 multiplied sa aton nga sine to the -1 nga power. How about for cosine? The same also. So recap, our cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent of the angle, meaning ang tupad to niya over hypotenuse, the longest line in our right triangle. So last time we have this naging solve naton. So inverse nga cosine function, also the same for our sine. We just have to key in the cosine to the -1 power, and then substitute the given value 0.9272 is equals to the theta angle, or this is the value that we have to solve, whether in degrees or in centimeter if it is in line. But this one usually it is given because sa degree, meaning sa angle. And then we have the tangent, so katawa, sine opposite over hypotenuse, you have the cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and the towa, the tangent, is equals to opposite over adjacent. So mag-solve ka na sa ila. So tangent A, so naman ni siya ang for example, tangent A, this is our angle. So ang iya na nga opposite is this one, and the adjacent ay hindi. So the same also for tangent, i-reverse lang siya,